On September 8, 2021, Sudarshan News and Jammu Kashmir Now ran a television segment on an incident that took place in Pule Khumri district, Afghanistan. The news anchors proclaimed that 51 people were killed in a dispute when a donkey entered a mosque, and that, as per her sources, the incident took place on September 1st. The fight took place between two communities, which resulted in a donkey as well as 51 people being killed. As per their news cycle, they cited two Pakistani sources for this information, namely Daily Pakistan and Roze News Pakistan. Upon looking at the sources of these news, we found that Roze News's report on the incident was reported in 2020 and not 2021. According to the report, the incident took place on September 2nd, 2020 and 51 people were killed. The same was claimed by Daily News Pakistan as well. But interestingly, this news report was deleted from Daily Pakistan's website, but we archived the news report. This prompted us to dig into it further. Upon further investigation, we found that both the Daily Pakistan and Roze News relied on one particular source of information, a newspaper clipping that was posted by Balochistan Education, a Facebook page that had this newspaper clipping. However, we found discrepancies in this newspaper clipping and there was evidences of morphing as well. If you can see here, right above the number 5, there is a lot of pixelation. This means that this number was probably imposed on top of it. Another evidence of morphing is witnessed here, as the number 33 clearly looks like it has been superimposed on top of another image. In addition to this, there were multiple comments on this particular Facebook page regarding the validity of this news. A lot of people call this fake as well. The evidence of this morphed image prompted us to perform a Google reverse image search on the image used in the articles. And what we found was that the image that was used on these articles was actually first used in 2019 when a bombing attack took place in Afghanistan's Jodari village. Sudarshan News has previously displayed a pattern of hate and misinformation that has been previously fact-checked and called out by multiple sources. The taping of this news segment deliberately leaves out the date and not thoroughly verifying the source goes to show that JNK Now and particularly Sudarshan News had a hidden motive to spread hatred and misinformation to its viewers. Therefore, since the article itself has not been written with verified sources and the fact that the two channels ran the story 1 year after the event took place renders this claim fake.